like this. I use the dermasonic with this head to clear the dry skin, and after I use this, I will use a cleanser to cleanse my skin and take it off. This is a foam cleanser, so it doesn't have to stay on my face, so I have to take it off. And then I'll go to my toner, which is this toner. You can see it's quite big, and I use the toner, so splash it on my face and it stays in. And then I'll come to my dermasonic and attach the eye compartment here, which goes onto my eyes to treat them right and make them look good. And I will go to then my moisturizer, which is an SPF, so that it protects me during the day from the UVB, and it's a sun protector, so I use the SPF during the day. And then the sealer, which is the eye cream for my eyes, and this is the small finger that actually moisturizes the eye. So you make sure that you use the smallest finger, because this is a delicate area. Take care of your skin. It's always good to take care of your skin. You feel good at any age. Love yourself. I call it self-care. That's what I call it.